Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Hi Byron. In this video we are going to learn how to make borders in Excel. This is a quick video, so let's dive into it. Here you can see my data is shown in column B and C, and here I want to insert borders. So first of all, I'll select the range and I'll go to Home tab, and in Home tab you will see a font, and upper this font you will see a bottom border. So I'll just click drop down and select suppose outside border. So you can see my outside border is shown. Now I need it in each and every cell. I'll select the range and go to Home tab and drop down. I'll select here all borders. Now you can see all borders are covered with the data. Now I want to customize, so I'll go to Home and select borders, and you can select any of these borders as per required. So if I want to make some customization, go to more borders, and here you will see I want to highlight this style, high bold style in where outline like this or inside. So for now I would like to insert in both, and I would like to change the color of that border. So I'll keep it red, and then I'll hit OK, and you can see my all our borders are highlighted in this style. So go to the same border, and in line color you can see my line color is red. I will choose line color, and this way you can make your borders as you require. So this is the quick video. You can insert border as you want, and if I want to remove this all borders, how can we do it? I'll select the range, I'll select all the range and Home, and I'll go to Home tab and no border. Now you can see my border is removed, and this way you can remove and add the border as per you need. So I hope you found this video. Please subscribe to my channel to get more daily updates, and I will see you in the next video.